Looking into natural healing and wondering if the Forgotten Home Apothecary book is actually worth it or just another overhyped wellness product. Here's an honest review based on research and real customer feedback. Quick disclaimer, this review is based on my personal opinion and research, so always consult a medical professional before trying any new remedies, especially if you have existing health conditions. So, what is a Forgotten Home Apothecary book? According to the Amazon listing, this book is written by Dr. Nicole Appelian, an herbalist with over 30 years of experience in natural healing. It promises to give you a ready made home apothecary, 250 natural remedies organized by common ailments like headaches, colds, inflammations, digestion issues, and more. The book includes full color pages, step by step instructions, and is designed to be beginner friendly for anyone interested in home remedies or holistic living. With 4.7 stars from nearly 6,000 reviews, the book is clearly popular. 81% of reviewers gave it 5 stars, while only 2% rated it poorly. One reviewer said they got it for their daughter who wanted a natural way to treat her family's everyday issues and loved that it was packed with old remedies, helpful color images, and easy explanations. Another person called it a bridge to the past and praised the step by step guides for recipes like a natural brain booster and grandma's hot salve. Now, let's be fair. While most feedback is glowing, some may view natural remedies with skepticism or want more scientific backing. So, if you're expecting modern pharmaceutical level proof, this might not be for you. If you're into natural living or want a solid introduction to herbal healing, the Forgotten Home Apothecary is legit and thoughtfully done. It's not a scam, it's a well reviewed, beginner friendly guide that helped many people say and has become a go to resource in their household. Let me know in the comments if you've tried it or have another go to natural remedy book. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.